Krishna. My name is Tatsi Upadhyay. I'm also known as MHB Wali, Mission Healthy Bharat Wali, and BTech Pani Puri Wali for my revolutionizing street food industry food startup and empowering women. And now this is my journey called Sampoorn Bharat Yatra for Mission Healthy Bharat, where we are conducting the most extensive awareness campaign in the world for climate change, health literacy, animal cruelty, and youth empowerment. We are going to most number of schools, colleges, and institutions. So far, we have covered so prestigious institutions to rural areas, school as well. And I am riding a bullet bike covering 40,000 plus kilometers of distance, which makes it different, and it's a world record attempt that we are making. We initiated this journey from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, and then we covered Meerut, Mathura, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jaunpur, Chandoli, Varanasi, and then Ghazipur district of Uttar Pradesh, and then we embarked our journey into Bihar. We covered Buxar, Ara, Patna, Begusarai, Bhagalpur, Kishanganj, Purnia, and then we headed to West Bengal, Siliguri, Kalimpong, and now we are in Sikkim, Gangtok. In this journey, we have covered prestigious institutions like IIT, BHU, IIT Kanpur, NIT Patna, to rural schools of Kanpur Dehat, SD Public School, and Harinandan Mahavidyalaya. We also went to Shri Kapileshwar, a very prestigious Gurukul in Lucknow. So, since this is the most extensive awareness campaign that we are conducting, we go to schools, deliver the talk, engage, do the engagement session with students, and so far it was so impactful because it is very important for students basically, because these are our future generation. The youth is our future generation, and they are the real true change makers for us. So when they have a mind shift what sustainable development is, when they have a mind shift how to protect the climate at the same time, how do we actually live a lifestyle where it is not helping us to live a disease-free lifestyle, how we go from diabetic capital of the world to the health capital of the world, but also how we can also not compromise on animals or other life forms existing on this planet. So they get very engaged about it, and so far this was very wonderful, so experiencing, so exploring, and impactful as well. When it comes to digital platforms, people are doing the same. There are people who have chosen this path to chosen this approach to get to people, to take this message to people. But I believe not taking the message in person, socializing with them, connecting with them on real grounds, knowing the actual reality on grounds, what is happening, why is happening, and what sort of problem people are facing region to region. So when we make a content digitally from a certain location, we don't have a better understanding on real grounds what is happening, why this is happening, why people are choosing to live in certain way. But when we go, travel, meet people, engage with them, we have that better understanding, and so what, we can deviate the path how we deliver the message to them. So as per their demand, as per their understanding, we deliver the talk. I mean, I am the speaker guest wherever I go, so I deliver the talk and make it as engaging as possible, and not keeping in general for entire India or for entire globe, because in India only, region to region things change. We are varying in so many different things, like when we go from Meerut to somewhere in Bihar, Begusarai, when from Begusarai to somewhere in Sikkim. So things change, things vary. We are very rich in our culture, we are very rich in we are very diversified regionally, linguistically, culturally, traditionally. So understanding those basic norms first, and then delivering what exactly is needed to be changed, that is maybe the right approach for us, and so I took this initiative. So covering all these many cities that I have just mentioned gave me a lot of experiences, knowing people in reality, connecting with them regionally, how do they live. I mean, when we went to a place like Begusarai in Bihar, we got to know that there are people living with limited resources, with actually no resources, and though they are putting up their 100 to 200% of efforts to make things better, to live a lifestyle, to make things sustainable for them, to gain financial independence in their life. And when we came to Siliguri, places like Siliguri, Kalimpong in West Bengal, we saw that people unknowingly with the fact that there is animal agriculture and then we produce animals and then we eat them, knowing this, not knowing the real fact that we are actually producing them to eat. It's not that if we stop eating animals, so there would be ample of animals surrounding us and on the roads and everywhere, but knowing the real fact that we are actually producing them. And this, by United Nations Research 2010 report, it is said that living a lifestyle which is actually sustainable, not only for climate but health of people, saving biodiversity, where we can go animal free lifestyle, where we do not consume any animal food or animal produce. So going with the notion here, knowing the fact, people had a mind shift. So there were a lot of people who were actually consuming dairy or milk prior to the session, but when they got to know the real facts, then they switched. So this is something very different from other places that we faced. And now we are in Gangtok. Gangtok is so beautiful, so wonderful, and I've been experiencing the rainfall here. I've been experiencing so many things so far. Yes, absolutely. Actually, not journey, but the people. What I believe is the society is made by people. लोग से समाज बनता है, और जिस समाज में जिस तरह के लोग रहते हैं वो समाज भी वैसा ही होता है, और जिस तरह के समाज किसी देश में होते हैं उसी तरह का वो देश भी होता है. तो आई एम नॉट हियर टू चेंज एनीबडी और bring a change, a real change, but I'm here to ignite the right ones. I'm here to inspire the right ones, because I also got inspired, ignited by so many people doing so good for society, people loving animals and mother nature. So I'm here. So my only notion is to bring people back to the roots, just take things to back to the real roots where we used to live sustainably, where we used to practice sustainable practices, where we used to eat healthy food. Yeah. Fun so far was amazing, wonderful, because it is joined by people. I say that this movement is a true essence, which gives the true essence for democracy. This is by the people, of the people, for lovely animals and mother nature. So when joined by people, this makes a real impact.